So here's a quick guide on how we can track Remitly payment. First of all, what you need to do is open up your browser and search for Remitly. After searching for Remitly, click on the first link on the results, which is remitly.com. So once you're in the Remitly website, you need to sign up or log in to your account. So after logging into your account, you will get to see this interface. Here, if you look on the top, there are multiple options to choose from. For this video, we will go with transfer history. So click on transfer history right here, and this will redirect you to your transfers section. So once you're in the transfers page, you will get to see options like all transfers, in progress, and delivered. You can also set how many transfers you can see per page, starting from 10 to up to 50. You can also download your transfers information. So as you can see, my transfer section is empty because I do not have any transfers. But when you have some transfers in progress, you will be able to easily track them from this page. And that is exactly how to track Remitly payment.